If you're still studying without AI in 2026, you're literally doing 3 times more work than you need to. Your classmates already know about these tools. This video is your catch-up guide. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Future Synth, where AI meets creativity. Today, we are breaking down 8 powerful AI tools built to save your grades and your free time. We'll cover exactly what they do, who they're for, and whether they're free. Stick around, because our #1 pick completely changes how you study. I tested each of these tools myself, and I'm going to tell you which one to start with depending on what kind of student you are. Number 1. ChatGPT. First up is the ultimate all-rounder, ChatGPT. Under the hood, this platform excels at shifting tones, refactoring text structures, and processing complex natural language prompts. It's your go-to for quick concept explanations, essay brainstorming, and personalized tutoring. If you're stuck on a dense topic, just ask it to explain like I'm 16. It will actively break down complex academic jargon into multi-layered, step-by-step concepts. Think of it as a tutor that never gets tired and never judges you for asking dumb. Best for writing, research. Cost, free tier. Number 2, Notebook LM. Notebook LM completely redefines note-taking. Built entirely around a grounded source architecture, it restricts its knowledge base strictly to the files you give it, virtually eliminating hallucinations. You upload your lecture PDFs and textbooks and ask it direct questions. It summarizes chapters, generates custom quizzes, and gives page citations so you can cross-check facts instantly. Best for note-taking, revision. Cost, free. This is the tool that made me actually enjoy revising. Number 3, Perplexity AI. For research papers, stop opening 15 browser tabs. Perplexity AI is a dedicated conversational search engine that pairs live web scraping with language processing. It reads live search results, extracts the raw answers, and synthesizes them into a single response. It links directly to real sources with zero hallucinations, making it essential for history, law, or science research. Stop opening 15 browser tabs. Use Perplexity and get cited answers in seconds. Best for research. Cost, free. Number 4, Grammarly. Grammarly goes way beyond basic spelling. It utilizes context-aware writing algorithms to analyze your text for tone, structural clarity, and engagement. It aligns your drafts directly with specific academic style guidelines like formal, persuasive, or analytical syntax. Pro tip: read why it suggests changes so your writing actually improves over time. Your professor can't tell you're using it. Your writing just mysteriously gets better. Best for writing, essays. Cost, free tier. Number 5, Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha is a massive computation engine built for math, physics, and engineering. Unlike traditional chatbots, it doesn't try to guess the next logical word. It calculates definitive mathematical outcomes using structured algorithms. It doesn't just guess answers. It computes them and shows you the exact step-by-step working. This is what calculators wish they were. Best for STEM math. Cost, free. Number 6, Quizlet AI. Quizlet AI eliminates the manual grind of studying. By integrating machine learning into traditional spaced repetition systems, you can paste raw notes or lecture slides to instantly auto-generate custom flashcards and practice tests. The system uses adaptive difficulty, tracking the exact terms you miss and serving them up more frequently until you reach full mastery. Paste your notes. Get a full quiz in 30 seconds. That's it. Best for revision, flashcards. Cost, free tier. Number 7, Notion AI. If your academic life is scattered, Notion AI centralizes it. Operating directly inside your database workspaces, it allows you to highlight a messy stream of consciousness lecture stream and instantly command it to extract action items, create checklists, or reformat your ideas into clean markdown tables. It transforms messy lecture notes into structured summaries, tracks your deadlines, and builds custom study schedules. It's like having a personal assistant who only cares about your grades. Best for organization, productivity. Cost, free tier. Number 8, Google Gemini. If your school workspace runs entirely through Google, Gemini is your best bet. Built as a native multimodal model, it can process text, code, audio, and video simultaneously. It integrates perfectly with Docs, Slides, and Google Drive, allowing you to seamlessly cross-reference cloud documents and generate presentation templates on the fly. If you have an educational email, sign up for this today. It's completely free. Best for all-rounder. Cost, free with .edu. The smartest students don't just use one AI for everything. They treat their tools like a highly optimized computer processing pipeline, passing data from one specialized architecture to the next. Perplexity for research, Notebook LM for organization, ChatGPT for outline, Grammarly for Polish, and next, Quizlet for exam prep. The students getting ahead aren't using one AI for everything. They're using the right tool for each job, and it's all free. A quick, honest note on using these tools responsibly. Upgrading your study workflow should always be about deep comprehension, not shortcuts. AI is designed to act like a personal research facility to help you understand concepts deeper and avoid late-night study panic, not to bypass critical thinking entirely. AI is your study partner, not your ghostwriter. Use it to understand better, not to skip the thinking. Your degree should reflect you. That is your ultimate 2026 Student AI Toolkit. Use these tools as an interconnected system, protect your valuable time, and keep your sanity intact this semester. Comment below, which subject do you study? I'll reply with the exact tool combo you should use. Hit subscribe, drop your major below, and I'll see you in the next one.